How is the Irish harp different from other harps? Imagine walking through Ireland and hearing a sound that feels like it's part of the land itself. That's the Irish harp, a symbol you see everywhere from coins to government seals. But what makes it stand out from other harps around the world? Let's find out. First, the Irish harp is also called a Celtic harp or clorshach in Irish. It's a lever harp, which means it has small levers at the top of each string. These levers change the pitch by raising the note a half step. Unlike pedal harps, which use foot pedals to switch keys instantly, Irish harps relying on these levers. This makes Irish harps smaller and easier to carry around. They are perfect for playing in pubs, at festivals, or outdoors. The size is usually about 3 to 4 feet tall, making them lightweight and portable. The sound of the Irish harp is bright and clear. Historically, they used metal wire strings that produced a ringing tone, which could carry across hills or through crowds. Today, many Irish harps use nylon or gut strings, giving a softer, warmer sound. The wire strings are still used in traditional performances to keep that authentic tone. The mechanism of the Irish harp is simple. You flip the levers to change the pitch of a string by a half step. This system is straightforward but limits how quickly you can change keys. Pedal harps, on the other hand, have foot pedals that let players switch between many keys instantly, which is necessary for classical music. Visually, Irish harps have a distinctive shape. They often feature a curved pillar and a hollowed soundbox that tapers at the base. The most famous one is the Trinity College harp, also called the Brian Boru harp, which dates back to the 1400s. You see this design on the Guinness logo, Irish euro coins, and government seals. The Irish harp is deeply connected to Irish music and culture. It's used for traditional folk tunes, slow airs, and dance music. Many modern Irish musicians keep this tradition alive by performing and teaching these melodies. If you want to experience the Irish harp live, visit pubs during traditional music sessions in Dublin, Galway, or Cork. Festivals like the Fleadh often feature harp competitions and workshops. You can also see historic harps at museums such as the National Museum of Ireland or Trinity College Dublin. To sum up, the Irish harp is different because it's smaller, portable, and has a unique bright sound. Its simple lever system and iconic shape make it a symbol of Irish culture. It's more than just an instrument. It's a living part of Ireland's arts and traditions that you can enjoy during your travels.